to this YouTube channel. Kindly know this is not financial advice, and I'm not a market maker. I'm just putting this to help myself out concerning the trades. Go through with it. Thank you, guys. Please like, subscribe, and follow, please. Thank you. So, subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Yeah, the bell icon needed. So, going through this, right? I said that I would like Monday to close right here. This is Monday. This is Monday. This long candle to close above or below this previous candle, but it closed above, showing me the bias of what the bias of the day where I think price will be going to. Then after that, Tuesday would have been a good time for a buy using a lower time frame PDRA, which Tuesday bought a bit. Look at that, using a lower time frame PDRA right here. Tuesday bought a bit right there, and then it just sold right there. It sold. So selling right there with will make me what will I be thinking about here? I will look at, okay, the price want to sell now or the price want to buy. So now in this particular point, the highest time frame in this particular point, this box right here, is the 4 hours, because gold is in all-time high. So the highest time frame is the 4 hours right here. What am I looking at? Since the highest time frame is the 4 hours, and the 4 hours gave me this too long sell candle right here, my my bias will shift from a buy to a sell. But remember, the market is always right. It can go down after giving this two candle and start moving up and keep on moving up. The market is always right. It's not wrong. Your own is to just get an idea of what the market is doing and trade using that idea. So market price sold down here. Then I see this PDRA, other block turn to a breaker block, other block, breaker block. So I'm looking at that. Okay, with this price we want to sell. So that's when this news happened. It buys back up and then sold down. Right here, same thing. We'll be looking for what sell. This other block, then sell down to where? To right here. Why did it stop here? We go to the daily time frame. There is a daily time frame order block right here, and that's where the magic happened. That is what we're waiting for, discount and premium. So now the price is in the discount level. That's where we now take this trade from. We wait for confirmation and everything. You can use whatever you're using. You wait for your confirmation, use that to take the trade from there, going to the upside. So what are we waiting for? What are we looking for now this week in gold? This week in gold, I'll be looking for, I think gold might still be on the buy. Why? Because look at this. This could serve as a break of structure. This is a swing high, break of structure, come down to retest right here, then a push up. But we're having this other block that has been formed here. So I might look for a scalp, not to waste the trade. I might look for a scalp. First of all, we'll wait for Sunday and Monday, because when the price open, anything can happen here. Let's see what what's going to happen. If price open here, come down here, I'll be looking for a buy up. But if price open, I still have a little bit of consolidation in this area right here, 4 hours consolidation, I'll be looking for a what? A CRT that will just bring price down. Then when price gets here, I will buy. But if price close above it, going up, I'll be waiting for price to come down to this point and I'll buy. So that's like three buys. I'm looking at three buys now. So first of all, if price open, come down here, I'll be waiting for us buy, right? Then secondly, if price open here, goes up here, I'll let price come down a bit to this point, then I'll be looking for a buy, right? Then thirdly, if price waits here, consolidate right here, consolidate right here, consolidate right here, consolidate right here until Monday open, and when it's time for me to trade, I'll look for a CRT for a sell. Then if I see the opportunity, I'll sell. Then after that, I'll be looking for a buy. But what I know is that at this point, it's my buying point if price gets here. This is where I take my buy from if price gets here. Why is that? Because I'm seeing two other block that's formed right here. This is one, this is two. So we have two other block. This is one, this is two right here. And that's like a very strong confirmation, and because at the moment now, gold is like the strongest a day yes, is like the strongest PDRA we have in gold. So that's what I'll be looking for. So now let's move on to BTC. So in BTC, what do we see in BTC? BTC last last week was actually if I'm going to do a little bit of recap of last week we were actually looking for price to go to this upside, then we'll sell, and when price come down here we buy. That's what we're looking for like last week. And then we'll be noticing that throughout this week BTC consolidated right here. It's not bad, it's still cool. So what do I want to see in BTC? This is kind of like a CRT, very simple. That's if price close right here. If price close right here, this is like a CRT. So if price close right here, I'll be waiting to enter the new candle for a sell. So this is, we're having this PDRA right here, the other block right here, and we're having another other block right there. So those are like two other blocks right there with fair value gap. So that's a very strong PDRA for me to say, okay, yes, I'll be looking for a sell right here. So I'll be looking for a sell right here if this close with an other block, if this close with CRT, and I'll be looking for a sell right there. But if this doesn't close with a CRT, I will still be looking for a sell, because it's until when the price close above here, that's where my bias will change. But if price close up here, I'll still be looking for a sell. So that's just it on BTC. Sell to this point, and maybe looking for a buy back up because of the consolidation, or price might want to sell to this point and still come down to take this, which we were looking at. So I'll just look at, okay, after the sell, I'll look for what confirmation is price giving me, what PDRA are being respected, what higher time frame PDRA is showing me. Then I'll look for if I'll be selling down to this point, or if I'll buy back up to this point. So that's just it on gold and BTC. Thank you guys, and do have a very, very beautiful week.